Hi guys, so we've been covering a lot of details about the S22 Ultra, but we haven't really gone over its younger sibling, the S22 Plus. And unlike the S21 Plus that was very different from the S21 Ultra, this is much closer to the S22 Ultra in terms of features and specs. We're also going to go over the Exynos 2200 as it's been spotted in the device, which pretty much confirms Samsung is still going to use it. Before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the most noticeable difference between the S22 Plus and S22 Ultra is the design. While the S22 Ultra is boxy with a water drop camera design, the S22 Plus maintains the design language of the S21 series. So it's gonna have curved corners and will use the same contour cut camera design like the S21 series. But that's about all the similarities with its predecessor. Compared to the S21 Plus, the S22 Plus will come in a smaller footprint, have a smaller battery and a smaller display. It's gonna house a 4500 mAh battery compared to 4800 on the S21 Plus. Now, a downgrade in battery capacity is never a good thing, but there are some upgrades in other areas that will most likely make up for the reduced battery capacity, one of which is the reduced screen size, 6.5 inch compared to 6.7 on the S21 Plus. Now, that might seem like a downgrade, but it makes sense to further differentiate the Plus from the Ultra, especially with the phone and screen size. That will also mean less stress on the already reduced battery capacity. It's also going to use the more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and will adopt the second generation LTPO technology that should further improve battery performance by dropping the refresh rate as low as 1 Hz when necessary. One thing I really like about the design of the S22 Plus and base S22 is the front of the device. It's gonna have uniform bezels all around, which will make for a really good looking handset. It's gonna be a super bright, gorgeous display, which is one of the things it shares with the S22 Ultra. The S22 Plus will have a peak brightness of 1750 nits, just like the S22 Ultra. They'll both have the brightest displays on any smartphone, and if you're worried about the brightness killing the battery too soon, then you'll be pleased to know that the S22 Plus also supports 45 watts fast charging, just like the S22 Ultra. For the cameras, the S22 and S22 Plus are gonna use the same triple camera setup. Samsung is gonna up the resolution of the main sensor from 12 megapixel on the S21 to 50 megapixel on the S22 and S22 Plus. They're also gonna have a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. There's a lot to be excited about for the S22 series, one of which is the Exynos 2200. And I know Samsung didn't show up for the launch event it scheduled, and they deleted every social media post regarding the Exynos 2200, which shows quite a lot of red flags and had everyone thinking the Exynos 2200 was dead. But the guys at Galaxy Club have spotted an S22 device powered by the Exynos 2200. The device ends with the model number B, which has always been the model number for the Exynos variant of Galaxy S series devices. So the Exynos 2200 is indeed coming with the S22 devices. Anyway, let me know what you think about the S22 Plus in the comment section below. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.